Hi, everyone. I'm Dusan Palic. I'm going to be talking about how to make fish part of your practice. And for a long time, since I've been in the aquatic veterinary medicine, this has been a topic of interest for many, many veterinarians and colleagues who are interested in incorporating some of the ornamentals in their work. We're going to be talking about how to do the basic tools. What do you need? Probably you have all of that already in your practice, just need how to use them. And also some of the basic skills, which you already probably also have together with your veterinary skills. But applying them to a fish, it's always an interesting change of pace. And from that regard, I look forward to seeing everybody over in Lisbon in a few months. Thank you.